Elgon is an extinct shield volcano on the border of Uganda and Kenya, north of Kisumu and west of Kitale. The mountain's highest point, named Wakagai, is located entirely within Uganda.
Here we are, such an epic view. Mount Elgon on top of 3,422. There we call it Wakagai. Wakagai is the highest peak of all.
Verifiable evidence of the earliest volcanic activities. Geologists estimate that Mount Elgon is at least 24 million years old, making it the oldest extinct volcano in East Africa.
Here we are, the breeze here, the cool breeze here. I think if I say -5, I think I'm right. In terms of, you name it. It has really dropped. We're really in a high peak of Mount Elgon. Here you can see Kitale there, although I can't see with the naked eye, but you can have sense of far view, far sight of Kitale. We are now on top of this huge, look at it. Look at it. This is an amazing. You can't get better than this. Guys, it is what it is. Those are magic spots. You can't reach this Mount Elgon National Park without reaching. I think you heard, you saw. It was there, down there, 8 kilometers to reach the peak. Now we have tried to struggling. It's a bit of struggling, but we have made it. We are here.
My name is Noor Ismail Nozzle, diesel engineer, filmmaker, storyteller. Join me as I share my passion for building trucks and traveling to the remotest part of northeastern Kenya.
I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos.
I will remember you with the William Root. It is a bit of Shakespeare. Okay, we are heading to the circuit of blah 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 blah. We are in the park right now. We are? Mona. peak of Mount Elgon National Eco Flora and Fauna. And the park is well maintained by the Kenyan Life Authority. The great view. At the 12th day, see the beautiful scenery of flowers, wild flowers along the road, along the trail. Hopefully you will reach the peak of Mount Elgon, exploring around as usual. And this is 11 at 11 cruise. The Mount Elgon National Park, and here we are right now at an elevation of 2,400 meters above the sea level, and this is what we have this morning. Sometimes I'm wondering, when people talk about safari, what comes first in their mind is animals, but I think such species of tree, you may think I've just zoomed it out. That's not the case. Let me show you how big it is.
Yo.
So tell me, how many of me we're gonna split? And according to the story of the history and the whether they are genuine or not genuine, I have no idea. But they said that this is over thousands of years. And if I ask you or you ask me, who was the germination and the plantation of such tree, we have no idea. But we have to believe, because that's an enormous, a huge, a species. Look at it.
It is so magnificent. You know, most of these geographical features are so amazing that you see them in such areas. Only when you move in urban areas, you don't really have to see these things. But just look at it. It's so. It can take 10 of us with our arms stretched.
Not even half.
It is really.
And by name, it's called named Bodo, B-O-D-O. That's the name. And do some little bit of research and find out for yourself.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it has a medication value or something of this type. Please, here we are. It's mud pieces. Those are pieces. Mud spot where we are. And more yet to be discovered. So, Bodo discovered such people. Please, can you help people to search what mean of Bodo? This name came from maybe Greek name or Buddhism or Buddhism. You know Voodoo. Let's keep going.
The good thing is well reserved. Otherwise in some areas it will be choking.
When you talk about, you think this is a semi-trailer. Trees, timbers. What we said, such species, whenever you reach Africa, particularly known by safari, safari is about lion, elephant, big five, even trees. Today added to the bucket list.
Yeah.
Safari in Kenya is about Bodo. Here we are. Keep going. Unpredictable. Don't convince us. And if you cut this one as long, well, how many years is it going to take you to plant this one? I know it's okay. Oh, we are, if you feel like we are trying to touch part of yourself, we are sorry for that. But it is what it is. Bordeaux.
Okay, in addition to that,
Yes.
this provides a good timber.
Yeah.
Although timber is somehow soft. All these things that are seen around the same species as this one. So they are soft but good for timber. But although it is cross row, but it has a nice timber. If you want it,
But not this one. We are not going to sell it. It's not for sale. I'm going to write a thing here, not for sale, not for cut. That is it.
Bordeaux.
Bordeaux is it. This is the baobab of Mount Elgon. Here we are. So stick with us, subscribe and hit the bell button and comment if we are right and moving. Here we are. Here we are, such epic view. Mount Elgon on top of 3,422. And there we call it Wakagai. Wakagai is the highest peak of all. And here we are. The breeze here, the cool breeze here. I think if I say -5, I think I'm right. In terms of, you name it. It has really dropped. We're really in a high peak of Mount Elgon. And here you can see Kitale there, although I can't see with the naked eye, but we can have sense of far view, far sight of Kitale. We are now on top of this huge, look at it. Look at it. This is an amazing. It can't get better than this. Guys, it is what it is.
Yeah, our viewers, it's amazing. We won't stop giving you the best. We'll stop giving you the best. As for now, we are at this altitude that Captain has said. It is really amazing. We also request you, if you can be able, join us.
Those among the magic spot. You can't reach this Mount Elgon National Park without reaching. I think you heard, you saw, it was there, down there, 8 kilometers to reach the peak. Now we have tried to struggling. It's a bit of struggling, but we have made it. We are here. And here we are. Look at amazing, look at the drone shot. That is what we are talking about. The peak at the highest. This is above the sea level by 4,200. Okay, Gaia is 4,321 above the sea on the Ugandan side. Remember, Mount Elgon name was being shared. I think it was a fair share or big portion it.
The mountain itself is the border, right?
Please come on, my big guy. Explain the historical little bit, because remember, this mountain to be formed, I believe, some 16 years ago, this mountain Elgon was never been there due to volcanic eruption which has been done 15 million of years. Who knows the other? But this is we're gonna pick one stone from this spot here and we'll take it downside. I think we have a research for scientists research.
Yeah.
So they will tell us this lava, this all you see the lava flow. You call it lava, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lavas flow everywhere. And we are a bit skeptic there that maybe this is the due day. This is gonna have to erupt again. We have no idea. But we pray God to not happen now. But let us just move a little bit out of this mountain. Please, welcome. Tell us a little bit story about this Mount Elgon, because I can see Mount Elgon, guides, porters. Oh, you have, okay, porters as well. Good to go.
Okay, as I've said, Mount Elgon, we share the name Elgon, Kenya and Uganda side.
Good.
You see that Kenya side is Uganda.
Okay.
Masai side, Kenya side, the area is 169.
Okay.
So down there up this side we have come to different zones. So very different, high, smaller, and now we are looking back. So the summit is looking at the and as you have just said, the highest summit is in Uganda, that's right. Those who want to climb out to Uganda side. And if you want to climb quite a bit,
If you are mountain climber enthusiast, if you made this one, you can't have a title of a world record mountain climber without reaching Mount Elgon National Park. Hey, Mount Elgon, full stop. Give it.
Maybe those who are doing this, maybe are coming from the other side, this is their way. Pass here, hike quite a peak, then you get to the border of Kenya and Uganda, then you have international border. Then you are handed over to Uganda, because you have some transaction to show that you are now in Uganda side or Kenya side. Then from there now you are taken to Wakagai. Then you proceed to Atacams comes, then you can take on.
Although the temperature is dropping here, right here, but remember there's a local indigenous people are living in this mountain here, and herds, keepers, domestic animals. They're here, plenty of them, cows, goats, and other, you name it.
Cake or on the robo.
Or cake on the robo. Read the history of Mountain Elgon, you'll be able to understand it.
What is the meaning of okay on the robo?
Cake means
Then on the robo,
the robo, the name of people who stay in the tribe.
And we say Elgon is the name meaning the people who live in Mount Elgon. You see, the name sounds a bit heavy. Elgon. It is what it is. You name it, and here we are. I think we have to drop down now, go back to our trail, our road, our.
Yeah,
Wambia maneno.
the hiking was a little bit tough, as usual, you know, when you're coming up this altitude of over 3,500. It's very cool, and you know, maybe later on it will be very, very cold. That's why we're still having our t-shirts on. It's nice, feeling good, and the views are very nicely. Mount Elgon on the Kenyan side, lovely. It's my first time to be here, and I love it.
Epic, epic, epic scenery.
Yeah.
I
Not
can't
really,
tell.
but you know, at times when you're climbing, you really feel, you know, that the legs is there.
And they say the more higher you climb, the more cooler it becomes. Oxygen, it's reduced. So
all,
it's just
all the
normal.
people come up.
It's just normal.
All the people come up. Like those who are older than me.
Don't misinterpret those beers, white beers. Are not, that's a colored beer.
You're thinking that I'm an old man.
Because of this beer.
How old are you?
Even this one has
How
some
old are
little
you?
of hair.
How old are
You
you?
see, are they the same?
He's old. He's old.
You know, sometimes never underestimate people, their heights.
And an intercontinental adventure. This
Here
is
we
the
are.
Overland trip across Kenya. 2021,
Mount
2022.
don't sign out. Keep on.
Mount Elgon. It is now added on your bucket list. We made it, and you too want you to make history. We are creating memories of a lifetime. Why not? If they made it, why not? We made it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and let us meet on the next episode. And here we are. Cheers. I love you guys. Cheers. Bye-bye. Beautiful color.
Mountain Elgon. Mount Elgon is an extinct shield volcano on the border of Uganda and Kenya, north of Kisumu and west of Kitale. The mountain's highest point, named Rwakagai, is located entirely within Uganda. Although there is no verifiable evidence of its earliest volcanic activity, geologists estimate that Mount Elgon is at least 24 million years old, making it the oldest extinct volcano in East Africa. Elgon National Park is located 140 kilometers, approximately 87 miles northeast of Lake Victoria. The park covers an area of approximately 1,279 square kilometers, equivalent to 494 square miles. Only mountain bordered Uganda and Kenya. The Ugandan part of the park covers approximately 1,110 square kilometers, approximately 430 square miles, while the Kenyan covers approximately 169 kilometers squares, equivalent to 65 square miles.
Yeah, I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos.